Welcome back learners in the series of videos on connected spaces, and we are talking about the locally connected spaces and also locally path connected spaces. So this we have done in the previous video, and in the last video we have proved that if f is surjective open continuous map, then and if x is locally connected, so is y. Okay. Here we are not drawn the things. You can go to this and write the things. Right. What we have done is we have taken a point y in y, and we have taken a neighborhood v of y. Then we have f inverse of v this side, f inverse of v. Inside that we have u, and then this inside this you will have f of u. Okay, that we can do. And then we have given one exercise to show that if f is surjective open continuous map and if x is locally path connected, then we can prove that y is also locally path connected. So in this video, let's go ahead and prove a proposition and use it to show that the product of two locally connected spaces is locally connected. And of course, for locally path connected, will be left as the exercise. Okay, so let's take that as a proposition or theorem. Proposition. X is locally connected if and only if there is a basis B for the topology such that basic element, say B, is connected for all B in the base. So again, it's a if and only if statement. Alright. So we have to show that if X is locally connected, then there is a basis for which all the elements, basic elements, are connected. Okay. So there are two ways. First, we will assume that X is connected and locally connected, and for the second one, we will assume that there is a basis. Okay. So let's prove this, and we will use this for the another theorem. So let us suppose there is a basis, of connected sets. Suppose there is a basis P of connected sets. Okay. Now we need to show that X is locally connected, and to show that, let us take a point X. So let X belongs to X, and let us take a neighborhood of this point X, and let U be neighborhood of this point X. Now since B is a basis for a topology on X and X is a point in X, U is open. This implies there is a basic element. This implies there exists Bx belonging to the script B. Suppose there is a basis. Let me write script B. Okay, there exists a Bx in script B such that X belongs to the basic element Bx, which contains inside U. By definition of basis and open set. Okay. Now what we know, we assume that there is a basis of connected sets. Also, by assumption, by hypothesis, we know that Bx is connected. So what we have proved? We have taken a point X in X, we have taken a neighborhood U of X, we found a connected neighborhood of X which contains inside U. This implies X is locally connected. by definition of locally connected species. Okay. Now for the next one, conversely, let us take a locally connected space. Let X be locally connected. So we need to find a basis of connected sets. Let us take script B to be equals to set of all the subsets of X such that this B is open and connected. We need to show that this B is the basis for our topology on X. And to do that, let us take a set. So let U be open in X. Let U be open in X, and let us take a point U in U. We need to show that there is a point in this set which contains inside U, which contains U, and which is contained inside this capital U. Right? So we have taken a U which is open in X, and let us take a point small u in U. So this implies this capital U is neighborhood of small u. What does that mean? This implies, by the definition of locally connected, since this X is locally connected, exist connected neighborhood V of U such that this V is contained inside U, by definition of the locally connected species. This implies this V is connected. I'm just writing this again. This implies V is open, and for open neighborhood, right? Open. Let us write neighborhood. Neighborhood is not required. Open or connected V is open connected set such that U is contained inside V, which is contained inside U, and therefore this V is contained inside V, not contained inside, belongs to, and this implies this V is basis for topology on X. Right? It's a if and only if statement. So we have proved both the things. Right? Now let me give a exercise. Let me just state an exercise. Which states every open subspace of a locally connected space is locally connected. And also make sure that you also write the proof that this for locally path connected. Okay, and same thing, this exercise also holds for path connected. So let me just write that every open subspace of a locally path connected space is locally path connected. The important thing over here is the subspace has to be open, otherwise the result need not hold. Okay, and let's move to the final step. Theorem: the product of two locally connected spaces is locally connected. Let us prove this, and then you prove that the product of two locally path connected spaces is locally path connected. That will be left as exercise. But let us prove this. Very elementary proof. We will use the last result for doing this. So let us take two locally connected spaces. So let x and y be two locally connected spaces. We need to show that x cross y is locally connected, right? Then to show that, let us take a point in x cross y and let us take a neighborhood of that point. We need to find the connected neighborhood. Okay, so let us let x comma y be the point in the product topology x cross y, and let us take a neighborhood and say u cross v is neighborhood of x comma y. What does that mean? This implies x belongs to u and y belongs to v. U and v are open. Now since x and y both are locally connected, we have taken a point x in x, y in y. There is a neighborhood, we have got a neighborhood u and v of x and y respectively, right? And this implies there is a basic element, right, which are connected. So this implies there exists Vx, by using the previous lemma or by previous result, Vx and Vy basic elements such that this x belongs to Vx, which contains that u, and this y belongs to Vy, which contains that v. So this will imply that x comma y will belongs to Vx cross with Vy, and this will contain that u cross v. And Vx and Vy are locally Vx and Vy are connected, and Vx and Vy are connected. Hence, what we have proved that x cross y is locally connected. Okay, as an exercise, show that product of two locally path connected spaces, locally path connected spaces is locally path connected. You prove this. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about the components. Okay. So maximal connected subset of a topological space X is called the component of X. So you find the maximum connected set. So a space may have 1, 2, 3, or 4 or n number of components. And of course, if it has a unique component which is full of X, then it is connected. Okay, so all those results we will see in the next video. So till then, stay tuned and stay safe.